Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 17th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on the pound yen, I still think that, like I've been saying for the last few days, that this is likely an ABC correction. That means that it may go down and take out these previous lows. We do have a nice break of structure to the downside now, so I definitely am going to try to look for sorts on pullbacks from this point on. It's not to look for pullback entries because I would expect it to at least go down, take out the lower wave A, maybe even down into one of these, rally-based rally zones before it actually continues back up. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, nice little downtrend. I definitely am looking for shorts, but I would not be trying to go short right here. I would only be trying to go short on pullbacks. Now today is FOMC interest rate news, and that's yes, that is a US dollar news event, but the yen pairs definitely do get affected by the dollar news because they are risk on, risk off. So it would be nice to see a nice little pullback, and maybe we'll get another short entry either tonight around the news, or we also have JPY news this week too. So definitely looking for shorts on pullbacks. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.